Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a quick share on some cards that I made using the Stamps of Life card kit of the month. And it was from January's month. And some of them I got inspiration from their website. Some of them I did my own thing. Some of them I'm just trying to use up the paper pad and all the things that came with it. And for the most part, I did use everything. There was maybe 3 chipboard pieces that I didn't use, and these are like the scraps from it. And what I do with scraps is I stamp out, well, I stamp out sentiments so that I can use them later on in a project and I don't need to bust out my stamps. So I just randomly stamp stuff, sentiments, and that's how I ended up using the whole kit. So let me show you the cards. I'll just leave these off to the side, you guys. And okay, so the first card, I believe I got this one off of the gallery. Let me zoom in, then I don't need to. So I believe I got this one off of the gallery. This one is the same, as just turned the other way, I think. Same inspiration. Here's another one. And this one. And this one, I definitely got this one off the gallery. Do you see the chipboard hearts that came with the kit? I attached them to twine. And then this one, because I ran out of the heart chipboards, I added these for like raindrops. Here's another one. And this one I made a shaker. And this one, it's kind of, you can't really see because the ink is light, but it says sending a note of thanks. This one. And another one. This one. So now you can see I'm just trying to use up the paper. And there you go. So those are the cards that I was able to make. I did share in previous videos the other cards that I made that are from the same kit, and I will try to link them somewhere here. But hopefully you guys are having a great crafty week, and you guys are still staying safe and healthy. And until the next video, shakas!